Do you ever feel like you spend more time organizing your work than actually doing it? It is a common frustration in the modern workplace. Imagine if your workspace could think for itself, pulling in data, connecting to your favorite tools, and taking mundane tasks off your plate. Imagine running custom automations you actually control, tailored perfectly to your team's unique needs and specific daily workflows. Well, it is not science fiction anymore. Notion has just thrown down the gauntlet in the global AI race. Notion, the productivity platform that changed how teams take notes, has just pivoted toward a much more ambitious future. Hey, we are here to break down how Notion's latest breakthrough is about to flip team productivity completely upside down. Whether you are a power user, a developer, or just tired of copying and pasting, this is the future you can use today. If you are excited to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest pain point. So, what is the big deal? On May 13, 2026, Notion announced their new developer platform, and it is a massive shift. Notion is not just a place to take notes or check off to-dos anymore. Now, it is a living, breathing hub for AI agents. Your workspace can now run intelligent processes and connect to external data sources without you ever needing to leave the app. Let's put this into context. We all face what experts call the toggling tax, the heavy mental cost of switching apps. Studies show it can take up to 23 minutes to fully refocus after a distraction or a jump between different software tools. Current tools are great, but you always hit a ceiling. You might rely on a complex Frankenstack of Zapier, Slack, and Sheets. Notion's new platform is an all-in-one solution that lets teams wire up any software and run agents that do their bidding. It allows us to stitch together real-time workflows that actually feel integrated rather than just duct taped together. This unveiling comes at a critical moment. Every tech company is adding AI features, but most are very limited. Most AI additions today are just surface-level chatbots or basic assistants that answer simple questions. Notion is thinking much bigger. They are giving us true AI agents that live inside our work environment and collaborate with us. Here is how it works. The platform features a new Notion SDK. Think of it like a set of modular Lego bricks for automation. Developers can now plug in external data and connect APIs to build agents powered by any large language model you want. Whether you prefer GPT-4 or Anthropic's Claude, the platform gives you the flexibility to choose the brain behind your agent. Imagine your workspace hooked directly to your CRM. An agent could analyze sales data each morning and summarize insights. It could even tag your team members to follow up on red flags automatically, ensuring nothing ever falls through the cracks. But what about people who are not developers? That is where Notion is really pushing the envelope for the rest of us. They want this to be approachable through a marketplace of ready-to-use AI agents. Think plug and play, not just code. This creates a whole new economy where experts can build and share specialized agents for legal, marketing, or engineering teams. Until now, Notion was a bit of a walled garden. This new platform rips down those walls once and for all. Not only can we pull in live data from outside, but AI agents can now act on that data according to your business logic. Agents can send notifications, update records, and even make decisions based on the rules you have set for your company. Let's look at a concrete example. Say you manage support tickets and an agent connects directly to your ticketing system. When a VIP customer submits an urgent request, the agent detects it and surfaces all the relevant customer context. It alerts the right person to respond fast. This happens entirely in Notion, no extra apps, no toggling required. But let's go deeper into marketing. Imagine an agent that monitors your brand's social media mentions across the web. The agent doesn't just list the mentions, it performs sentiment analysis to tell us if the buzz is positive or negative. If it spots a trending topic in your industry, it could automatically draft a brief for a new blog post in your content calendar. It could even tag your creative team to start on the visuals, ensuring your brand stays relevant in real time. For teams with more technical muscle, the platform is completely extensible. We can write our own custom code now. You can create bespoke workflows and eventually sell your agents in the marketplace. This has huge implications for SaaS. Enterprise businesses looking for more control over their AI stack will finally have the sovereignty they have been asking for. Why does this matter? We are at a turning point where AI is no longer just about automating simple busy work. It is about making software adapt to us and our workflow rather than forcing us to adapt to the software's limitations. Notion's approach shifts the balance of power back to teams, helping us work smarter together, not just faster. Notion's CEO Ivan Zhao told TechCrunch that this platform is about empowering teams to own their own data and logic. He wants us to stop being forced into the same canned productivity workflows as everyone else in the industry. Of course, there are open questions. Security and privacy are at the top of everyone's list when it comes to AI. How secure will these agents be? Notion will need to prove that our sensitive data stays within the bounds we define. And we have to wonder if non-technical teams can really harness this power without a steep learning curve. One thing is clear, Notion is betting that the future of work will be agentic, driven by agents working alongside humans. This is about agents supporting our creativity and decision-making, not replacing the human element of our work. Compared to Microsoft Copilot or OpenAI's GPTs, Notion has the advantage of being where the actual work happens. Context is king. Because Notion already holds our docs and tasks, its agents have a head start on understanding our goals. So what is next? If you want to experiment with AI and automations, this platform has the potential to be a game changer. Developers and early access users can already start playing with the SDK to build their first custom agents. More features will roll out in the coming months, including a full marketplace and even tighter software integrations. If you found this breakdown helpful, let us know. What would your dream AI agent do for your specific workflow? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments so we can keep this important conversation going. Be sure to check out the related video in the corner about the next wave of AI tools revolutionizing the workplace. Trust us, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the age of AI agents, your workspace could be smarter than you think. Take control of it. Let it work for you. We will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.